From books and blogs to marketing materials and so much more, written content is everywhere we look. Companies and organizations need skillful and creative writers to produce that content. That's exactly what Cedarville University's Bachelor of Arts in Professional Writing and Information Design degree will prepare you to do. As a professional writing student, you will be trained by top quality faculty in the technical skills of writing, editing, and information design. Your coursework will be full of opportunities to practice what you're learning, and professional writing and information design students regularly find enriching internships and out-of-classroom experiences. Your versatile education will set you up for a wide variety of careers, such as copywriting, editing, social media management, or content strategy. Whatever you choose, you will write and edit content that influences the world for the glory of God. If you enjoy telling stories, communicating information clearly and effectively, and connecting with readers on both an intellectual and emotional level, Cedarville's professional writing and information design could be the right major for you.